One of the things I love doing outside besides riding my bike is playing disc golf. And this morning I got this picture from my friend Dan indicating that one of the local courses had a tree down. So thought I would pull out my chainsaw and pack it away in the bike trailer and see if I could do another PAIPL ride today, get a few more miles in, and do something practical and helpful for the local disc golf community. Bring you along for the ride. I don't know about other cyclists, but I have some mixed feelings about bike paths. But I mean, it's between riding on a bike path and riding on busy South Atherton. I'll choose a bike path. Okay, so a bit of a bike ride to get here and then a little bit of a hike in. And here's a tree. Actually did not realize how much of a tree it actually is here. So we'll see what I can get to this morning. You can see it pulled up a whole bulb of its roots there. Yeah, significant. We'll see what I get done. Can't seem to escape the crummy weather. Apparently it's sort of rainy icing right now, so take a little break and maybe drag some branches, but I made a little bit of progress at least. Can see the basket now and hopefully play disc golf on this hole once again. Well, my chainsaw decided it's done for the day, so I guess I am too. It's playable now. Time to bike home. So no surprise, I guess, that this day was more of an adventure than I expected. Mixing chainsawing and bike riding, including another rain shower. Just wanted to say a word of thanks to all who have supported PAIPL and my fellow hikers and bikers during this month. I'll update my mileage here in just a second and see you next time.